2025 camping season, and this adventure is going to take us to Spacious Skies Country Oaks Campground in Dorothy, New Jersey. In this video, we're going to take a look at the check-in, registration, camp store building. We're going to hop on over, take a look at our campsite. We'll check out all the hookups on that. We're bringing Linus with us, and he's going to give you his review of the dog park. And we'll also check out the rest of the amenities this campground has to offer. So let's dive in. All right, coming off the main road. Path here. Leads down to the camp store and check-in registration building. On the right is some propane fill-up if you need to get that. You can pick up your firewood here too, and your ice if you need it. Well, go take a look at the camp store now.
Huh. But I like this, you don't see these anymore.
I can never find our screen when it comes down.
Alright, look here.
Yeah.
And they sell fudge. Charlie, I'm in trouble.
Why?
Yeah. So when I have no idea when I came in, it was fired. It was the pine cone, whatever nut that is.
Whatever nut that is.
Whatever nut that is.
All right, hop on over, take a look at our campsite. We are in site 117. It's a 30 amp full hookup site. As you can see, you got the water out, electric hooked up, got the sewer hooked up. Got great water pressure here. Pretty good. And take a look at our electrical hookup. They give you a 30 amp and a 120. I think they do have some 50 amps on site here. We'll go around to the fun side. I want to show you something here. It's the first time we tried this out. Tracy and Jimmy are with us, and we got ourselves a buddy site. So this is the first time we're trying this out. It's pretty cool. Works pretty well. We both have picnic tables, and both sites do have fire rings. It's a pretty lengthy site, so you can get a decent sized rig in here. Take a walk around, take a look at that. Don and Mark are across the street from us. They have a very decent sized lot too, with a picnic table and a fire ring. Give it this nice little cut through path here. Take you right to the bathhouse and the other side of the park. And this is a overall view of ours. It's working out really well. Cosmic Canine Commons. There goes Linus checking it out. A lot to smell around here. All new territory for him. I think he approves of the dog park. All right, outside here they have the large pavilion where they have activities going on right now. There's a bingo game going.
Fun bingo.
Tracy and Jimmy coming back with the prizes for bingo. Very good choices. Pickleball court, aka basketball court. You can do both. A little bit of a gaga ball pit. And for more kids' activities, you got the big jumpy pillow, which they love to do. It's really nice. Lots of things to do here. Alright, we're going to take it into the bathhouse. Check that out. Bunch of stalls. Clean. All sinks set up here. Full water. Here you have your shower falls. Nice. They do have these cabins on site. A couple of rustic cabins. You got a picnic bench. Get a little grill. Another option if you don't have an RV or travel trailer. These are pretty nice. Back of the check-in building. We also have ice here. This is the arcade. Take inside, take a look at that. Here's inside the arcade, just right off the back of the check-in registration building. You got a rainy day, you need something to do with the kids, so it was an option. That's pretty nice. We're gonna go outside and check out a few other things for the kids to try. So off the back of the check-in building and the arcade is their playground for kids. It is their opening weekend. It's a nice playground, all fenced in. Kids can burn off some energy in here. So that's pretty nice. Now we're going to take a look at the laundry room. Check that out. There's your laundry room. Check that out. Laundry. It's $2.50 to wash, $2.50 to dry. Nice clean new machines. Folding table. Can seat. There you go. You do your laundry. You have a place to do it outside. Here you go, another shot of the pool. It's obviously closed for the season still. It's only early April. I'm sure it's very busy during the season here. Looks really nice. Got a snack shack in the back there. And it's next to the bathhouse. Alright, it's travel day. So I'm gonna take you for a little ride around the campground while I give you my review. We had a great stay here. The check-in process was super easy. The staff at the front desk, super friendly and helpful. They text message you when stuff was going on. They also gave you a calendar of events. Inside the camp store, had basic everything you needed with some fun extra stuff. We got to our campsite. It was a large level campsite. All the amenities on the campsite worked well. And we had plenty of room to stretch out and have a few friends over. Took a walk around the campground, checked out the bathrooms and the bathhouses. Everything was clean, well kept, well stocked, ready to go. The laundry room was in good shape. The machines are brand new in there. Everything looked clean in that. Took Linus over to the pet-friendly dog park. That was a nice amenity here if you have a pet. This is a pet-friendly campground, obviously. few more campsites here. There's a lot of wooded campsites. They do have a few open campsites. And they have a couple of cabins. And they do have some retro campers. RVs you can rent here for the weekend, or how long we want to stay. They have a jumpy pillow. Nice playground. The arcade. Park is very clean, well maintained. Big pavilion over there to host activities like they had the bingo. Pretty neat. A couple of food trucks here, which we enjoyed eating at. Good food out of them. Would return here, like I said. I'd like to check out the pool. Snack shack at the pool. The rest of the amenities they have here, they do have ice, they do have propane, they do recycling garbage. I have firewood on site if you needed it as well. So this wraps up another Chuck and Rob's Whirlwind Adventure. I've included a list in this description of our next campgrounds we're going to visit. I want to say thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.